Nissan's second full electric car has been unveiled. It is called Nissan Ariya. It is the brand's first fully electric SUV. The new Ariya features concept car looks and is massive technological leap over the Nissan Electric Leaf. All thanks to a new platform which is optimized specifically for electric cars. Now let's look at the specifications. It comes with either 2 or 4-wheel drivetrain options. Along with, there are 2 battery pack options which are 63 kWh and 87 kWh. The 2-wheel drivetrain comes with a 63 kWh battery which produces 217 horsepower and does 0 to 60 in just 7.5 seconds. The 87 kWh model makes 242 horsepower and does 0 to 60 in 7.6 seconds. The 4-wheel drivetrain version pumps out around 300 horsepower and can manage 0 to 60 sprint in just 5.9 seconds. If that's not fast enough for you, there is also a performance model which uses the same 87 kWh battery but produces around 350 horsepower from its 2 motors and reaches 60 miles per hour from 0 in just 5 seconds. Talking about the range, the 63 kWh model gives a range of about 223 miles. The 87 kWh model has a range of about 310 miles or 500 kilometers. The performance version gives a range of 248 miles. Now let's see the charging options. The 63 kWh car comes with a standard 7.4 kW home charger, while 87 kWh model gets a faster 22 kW 3-phase charger for faster home charging. The Ariya gets a combined charging system or CCS connector for the European market. This charging technology also includes a battery thermal control feature for its liquid-cooled battery. For those using public chargers, the good news is that it also supports rapid charging of up to 130 kWh. Now let's look into the design of Nissan Ariya. It's an entirely new design direction for Nissan. The Ariya is a handsome thing with clean surfaces and striking graphical face. This includes boomerang LED lights, closed off grille for aerodynamic reasons. The surprisingly short overhangs, large cabin, large wheels and tailored 2-tone paint scheme provides a rich, elegant appearance which balances sportiness as well as the luxury of the car. Let's look at the interiors and the technology. It features close to production interior which outlines a car that has semi-autonomous capability of near future. There are 2 digital displays, touchscreens, digital cockpit, wheel-mounted buttons, and apart from some glowing switches on the dash, the Ariya's cabin is grounded in reality. The central display works as a touchscreen, but you can also control different type of Ariya's functions using Hey Nissan voice command, much like the Hey Mercedes and Hey BMW system. This is supposed to understand plain English or plain speech rather, and lets you program the sat-nav, make phone calls and adjust the heater settings without taking your hands off the wheel. The Ariya also gets 1 pedal drive just like the Nissan Electric Leaf. It can accelerate and brake following the car in front and keep within the lane, as well as undertake hands-off driving between highway junction, so as long as you have set the navigation, just like the current Japanese market Skyline. But next generation features include autonomous overtaking, lane diversions and piloted exiting of the highways. The Ariya gets the latest version of ProPilot. It also has a series of connected features. As soon as the key is detected, the seats and the vehicle's extra settings change to match the driver's preferences. It is connected to and offers Alexa voice command functionality. The Nissan Ariya will auto-update itself using built-in 4G connection. This means you won't have to visit a dealership just to get the latest software update for your car. Lastly, Pricing and launch timelines. Nissan hasn't confirmed how much the Ariya will cost, but it is expected to be priced around £40,000 for entry level two-wheel drive with a 63 kWh battery and around £60,000 for a top spec performance model. The Ariya will be hitting the road in late 2020 or early 2021. So that's it for this video. This is eCharged signing off. Thank you so much.